Charity 10. In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1855, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised some characteristics which will allow a Muslim to enter paradise in peace. One of these characteristics is to feed others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. This is a great deed which leads to the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted, and a great reward. Chapter 76 Al-Insan, verses 9 to 11.
We feed you only for the face, i.e., approval of Allah. We wish not from you reward or gratitude. Indeed, we fear from our Lord a day austere and distressful. So Allah will protect them from the evil of that day, and give them radiance and happiness.
In addition, the one who feeds others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, will be fed the fruits of paradise on Judgment Day. This has been advised in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2449. Finally, a Muslim should strive to give all forms of charity regularly, according to their means, irrespective of its quantity, as Allah, the Exalted, judges quality, meaning one's intention. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1.